Ako yung tumawag sa'yo past midnight, when the world was too heavy on your chest. Ako yung nandyan when everybody left, pinunasan luha mo, gave you my best. Every broken piece of you I held together, thinking maybe someday you'd see me different. But I kept it locked behind a smile, afraid that saying more would end it all. Tuwag ako mas pinili ko mawala yung nararamdaman kesa mawala ka. Now I'm paying for the words I couldn't say. What if sinabi ko sa'yo noon na ikaw lang laman ng isip ko? What if hindi ako natakot pagkat tayo na ngayon, hindi ba? Pero huli na, I see you smiling with him now, and it's killing me kasi alam ko ako sana yun. Ako yung safe place mo when you weren't strong. Every heartbreak mo dinala ko rin, hoping one day you'd fall for me, ganun din. Now I see his arm around your shoulder, standing where I always stood before. And you laughed the way you laughed with me, but this time it's him standing next to you. Tuwag ako pinili ko friendship over everything. Ngayon naman ako yung nasasaktan, watching someone else give what I had. What if sinabi ko sa'yo noon na ikaw lang laman ang isip ko? What if hindi ako natakot pagkat tayo na ngayon, hindi ba? Pero huli na, I see you smiling with him now, and it's killing me kasi alam ko ako sana yun ako sana. So I'll sit here on the sidelines, pretending I'm okay with this. Masaya ka naman that should be enough for me, diba? But every time you look at him, I think about what could have been. Ako sana. What if sinabi ko sa'yo noon, maybe things would be different now. What if hindi ako natakot, we wouldn't be strangers like this. Pero huli na, you're happy now, so I'll just be here where I've always been. Yung laging nandyan pero never enough. Ako sana yun ako sana. Ako sana. Ako sana. Yeah. Ako sana.